In this video, I'm going to show you how to export TikTok profiles to Excel in bulk. As an example, we will be exporting details from several football players' profiles. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To export TikTok profiles to Excel in bulk, we'll use the TikTok profile extractor. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Open the TikTok profile extractors page. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste links to one or more TikTok profiles. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted TikTok profile data to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported TikTok user nicknames, locations, number of followers and followings, number of videos, and more. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Sign up on Botster. Export TikTok profiles to Excel in bulk using the TikTok profile extractor and get access to dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.